Good morning, my dear students. Our lesson today, determining equivalent algebraic expressions. Equivalent algebraic expressions are expressions that even though they look different, they have the same result whatever the number we substitute for the variable. For example, the two algebraic expressions 2x plus 10 and 2 multiplied the summation of x and 1 plus 8 are equivalent expressions. Let's check how the two expressions are equivalent. If we substitute with x equals 5 in the first expression 2x plus 10, we will get 2 times 5 plus 10 that equal 2 times 5 equals 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10 equals 20. And when we substitute in the second expression, we will get 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1 all plus 8. So the value of parentheses 2 times 6 adding to 8. 2 times 6 equals 12 and 12 plus 8 equals 20. So the result from the two expressions are the same. And now let's check if we change the value of x for x equals 3. The result will be the same or not. If we replaced the x with 3, we will get 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 10, 6 plus 10 equals 15. And we will substitute with 3 in the next expression. We will get 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1 all plus 2 plus 8. So 2 times 4 plus 8, 2 times 4 as the first step, 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 8 equals 16. So the result here is same. Where another value x equals 1. Now we have 2 times 1 plus 10. First step, multiplying. 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 10. 2 plus 10 equal 12. And in the second expression, 2 times 1 plus 1 plus 8, that's equal 2 times 2 as a value of parentheses 1 plus 1 equals 2. So we will get 2 times 2 plus 8. The second step, multiplying. 2 times 2 equals 4. 4 plus 8 equals 12. So here the two values are the same. Note that some algebraic expressions give the same result when the substitution for the variable with some values or give unequal result for other values. This type of expressions are not equivalent. For example, we have here two expressions, 3x plus 1 and 2x plus 5. Let's check if we vary or get different values of x, like x equal 3, x equal 4, x equal 5. The result in the first expression, 3 times 3 plus 1, that equal 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 1 equals 10. In the second expression, we will get 2 times 3 plus 5. So 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 5, that equals 11. The first expression, its value is 10. In the second expression, its value is 11. So the result here is not the same. For x equals 4, if we substitute with 4, 3 times 4 plus 1, 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 1 equals 13. And on the second expression, 2 times 4 plus 5. 2 times 4 equals 8 plus 5 equals 13. The two expressions are equal in this case only. But if we get a different x as x equal 5, we will get 3 times 5 plus 1. 15 plus 1 equals 16. Substitute in the second expression 2x plus 5, we will get 2 times 5 plus 5. 2 times 5 equals 10 plus 5 equals 15. So 16 and 15 not in the same. So the two expressions are not equivalent. Exercise number 1. Evaluate each pair of algebraic expressions at the given value for the variable and determine where the two expressions are equivalent or not. The first expression, 5x plus 3, and the second one, 3 multiplying by x plus 4 minus 5. We will get two values of x to substitute with them, 3 and 2. First expression 5x plus 3 and second expression 3 times x plus 4 minus 5. The first value x equals 3 and the second value x equals 2. Let's substitute with the first value in the first expression. 5 times 3 plus 3. 5 times 3 equals 15 plus 3 that equals 18. And the second expression, we will multiply 3 by 3 plus 4 minus 5. We get the value of the parentheses at the first, so we will get 7 as 3 plus 4 equals 7. 3 times 7 minus 5. 3 times 7 equals 21 minus 5 that equals 16. So the two values are different. This is 18 and this 16. So they are not the same. If the value of x equals 2, we will get in the first expression 5 times 2 plus 3. 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 3 that equals 13. And on the second expression, we will get 3 times 2 plus 4 minus 5. 3 times 6 minus 5. 6 is the value of the parentheses, 2 plus 4. And we will multiply 3 times 6 equals 18 minus 5 that equals 13. The two expressions have the same value at x equals 2. So they are the same value here. But we have different case here. At x equal 3 not the same, and at x equal 2 are the same. So they are not equivalent expressions. Exercise 2. Check the following expressions where each pair is equivalent or not. Use two values for x from your own. The first expression, 4 multiplying by 2x plus 1, and the second expression, 7x plus 3. We will take x equal 1 as a first value and replace 1 in the first expression and get the value 4 times 2 times 1 plus 1. The operation inside the parentheses, 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1. In the second step, 2 plus 1 equals 3, so 4 times 3 equals 12 in the second expression. At x equal 1, 7 times 1 plus 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. So we have different values. At x equals 2, 4 times 2 times 2 plus 1. 4 times 2 times 2 inside parentheses equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 4 times 5 equals 20. If we substitute with x equal 2 in the second expression, we will get 7 times 2 plus 3. 14 plus 3 equals 17. We have different value here. So in the two cases and the two substitutions, at x equal 1, at x equal 2, we have different values here and here. So the two expressions are not equivalent. The same exercise on letter B. We have x plus 2 times x plus 2, and here we have another expression, 3x plus 4. Let's check. Two values have the same result or not. If we substitute with 1, 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 2, we will get the value of parentheses at the first. 1 plus 2 equals 3, and then we have 1 plus 2 times 3. We get the value of multiplication. 2 times 3 equals 6, and then 1 plus 6 equals 7. The other expression, at x equal 1, 3 times 1 plus 4, we multiply 3 by 1, 3 plus 4 equals 7. We have same values here, and then we substitute with 2 in the first expression. We will get 2 plus 2 times 2 plus 2. We get the value of parentheses at the first, so we will get 2 plus 2 times 4. Multiply 2 and 4, we will get 8. 2 plus 8 equals 10. If we substitute with 2 at the second expression, 3x plus 4, we will get 3 times 2 plus 4. 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 4, that equals 10. Here we get the same value. We can get that in each value we substitute in each of the two expressions, we have the same value. So the two expressions are equivalent expressions. Thank you.